Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about SSRIs should be carefully used in the young for the management of depression due to increase in selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors should be carefully used because these have increased risk of suicidal ideations, especially the suicidal ideations is used in children and adolescents if we use SSRIs in them. So we should be very cautious while using selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors in children and adolescents. Thank you and thank you for watching.